Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have one very interesting factorial equation x factorial plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 where x is positive integer. So let's get it started. Multiplying both sides by x plus 1 we can write here x factorial plus 1 times x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 1. Or now this x plus 1 cancel out this x plus 1, so here we will get x factorial plus 1 is equal to, we can write here x plus 1 whole square. Okay, now we know that the algebraic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Or we can write here x factorial plus 1 is equal to, now apply this formula here, we can write x square plus twice x plus 1. Or now this 1 cancel out this 1, so we can write here x factorial is equal to x square plus 2x. Or x factorial is equal to, now taking common x to right side we will get x plus 2. Now divided both sides by x, here x not equal to 0. We can write here x factorial over x is equal to x times x plus 2 over x. Or x factorial over x is equal to, this x cancel out this x, so here we will get x plus 2. Now we know that factorial equation n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. Here n not equal to 0. Now divided both sides by n, we can write here n factorial over n is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial over n. Now this n cancel out this n, so we will get n factorial over n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So here we can write x minus 1 factorial. Okay, or x minus 1 factorial is equal to x plus 2. Now let x minus 1 is equal to y, or x is equal to, taking this negative 1 to right side we will get y plus 1. So x plus 2 is equal to y plus 1 plus 2, that means y plus 3. Or now we can write here x minus 1 is equal to y, so we can write here y factorial is equal to x plus 2 is equal to y plus 3, so we can write here y plus 3. Or y factorial can be written as y times y minus 1 factorial is equal to y plus 3. Now divided both sides by y, we can write here y times y minus 1 factorial over y is equal to y plus 3 over y. Here y not equal to 0. Now this y cancel out this y, so we will get y minus 1 factorial is equal to y over y is 1 plus 3 over y. Now check for y is equal to 1, we can write here 1 minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 plus 3 over 1, or 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 factorial is equal to 1 plus 3. We know that 0 factorial, that means 1, so 1 not equal to 4. So y not equal to 1. Now for y is equal to 2, we can write here 2 minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2, or 2 minus 1, that means 1 factorial is equal to, here we will get 2 plus 3 over 2, so 1 not equal to 5 over 2, that means y not equal to 2. Now for y is equal to 3, we can write 3 minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 plus 3 over 3, or 3 minus 1 factorial, that means 2 factorial is equal to, here we will get 1 plus 1, so 2 factorial, that means 1 times 2, that means 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So y is equal to 3 is our accepted value. Okay. Now recall equation x minus 1 is equal to y. X minus 1 is equal to y. Here y is equal to 3. So we can write here x minus 1 is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 plus 1, so x is equal to 4. So our final answer is x is equal to 4. Now check, we find out the value of x is equal to 4. Our questions have given x factorial plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1. Here x is equal to 4, so we can write here 4 factorial plus 1 over 4 plus 1 is it equal to 4 plus 1, or 4 factorial can be written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 is 5 is it equal to 5, or 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, so we can write a 24 plus 1 over 5 is it equal to 5, or 24 plus 1 is 25 over 5 is it equal to 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, so 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.